Welcome to the channel. If you've ever wondered why your paycheck disappears so quickly, or struggled to balance spending and saving, you're not alone. The truth is, managing money can feel like a never-ending puzzle. But it doesn't have to be. Imagine having a clear, stress-free way to divide your income so that you can cover your essentials, enjoy life guilt-free, and still build a secure financial future. Sounds good, right? Well, today, we're going to unlock one of the most effective and easy-to-follow budgeting strategies out there, the 50-30-20 rule. This budgeting method is designed to help you take full control of your finances without complicated spreadsheets or extreme restrictions. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to allocate your income, avoid financial stress, and make steady progress toward your financial goals. If you're ready to stop feeling lost when it comes to money and start making smarter financial decisions, stick around. Let's break it all down. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple yet highly effective budgeting strategy that helps you divide your income into three key categories. The idea is to balance essential expenses, lifestyle choices, and future financial security, so you can enjoy life while still being financially responsible. Here's how it works. 50% for needs. This portion covers your absolute must-have expenses, like rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, and essential insurance. 30% for wants. This is the money you can use to enjoy life. Dining out, shopping, entertainment, vacations, and hobbies all fall into this category. 20% for savings and debt repayment. This is your future-proofing category. It includes savings, investments, retirement contributions, and paying off debt beyond the minimum. It's a balanced approach that ensures you meet your obligations while still having fun and building financial security. The beauty of this rule is its simplicity. It removes the guesswork and keeps you financially on track without feeling overwhelmed. But let's break it down further so you can apply it right away. Before you can start budgeting, you need to know exactly how much money you have to work with. Your after-tax income is the money you take home after deductions like federal and state taxes, Social Security, Medicare, insurance premiums, and retirement contributions. This is your actual spending power. If you have a fixed salary, it's easy. Just look at your paycheck and note your take-home pay. But if you're self-employed, a freelancer, or have multiple income sources, you'll need to calculate your average monthly income. Add up all your earnings for the last few months and divide by the number of months to get an estimate. For example, let's say you bring home $4,000 per month after taxes. Using the 50-30-20 rule, your budget would look like this: $2,000 for needs, 50%, $1,200 for wants, 30%, and $800 for savings and debt repayment, 20%. Now that you have your numbers, let's go deeper into each category to fine-tune your budget and make it work for your lifestyle. Needs are the absolute essentials, the things you must pay for to survive. These include rent or mortgage payments, utilities like electricity, water, gas, internet, and phone bills, groceries such as food and essential household items, transportation costs including gas, public transit, and car payments, insurance for health, auto, home, and life, and minimum debt payments for credit cards, loans, and student debt. The key here is to keep these expenses at or below 50% of your income. If your needs are taking up more than 50%, it might be time to reassess your spending. Here are some ways to reduce essential costs. Renegotiate bills by calling your internet, phone, or insurance providers and asking for better rates. Consider downsizing if rent or mortgage is too high by relocating to a more affordable place. And be smart with groceries through meal planning, buying in bulk, and shopping sales to cut food costs significantly. The goal is to ensure that your essential expenses fit comfortably within this 50% limit, so you have room for the other categories. This is the part that makes budgeting feel realistic and sustainable. The 30% category is for spending on things you enjoy, but don't necessarily need to survive. These include eating out, coffee runs, takeout, streaming services like Netflix, Spotify, and Hulu, shopping for clothes, gadgets, and home decor, hobbies, gym memberships, and entertainment, and travel, vacations, and weekend getaways. A big mistake people make is confusing wants with needs. For example, a car is a need, but a brand new luxury car, that's a want. A smartphone is a need, but upgrading every year, that's a want. Giving yourself a dedicated budget for fun spending allows you to enjoy life without guilt, while keeping your finances in check. This is where financial security happens. The last 20% of your income should go towards emergency fund savings, retirement contributions such as 401k, IRA, and investment accounts, paying off debt beyond the minimum, and investing in stocks, real estate, or index funds. If you don't have an emergency fund, start there first. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of expenses so you're prepared for unexpected situations like medical emergencies or job loss. Once you have that cushion, focus on aggressively paying off high-interest debt. Then, start investing to grow your wealth. Mastering money management doesn't have to be complicated. The 50-30-20 budgeting rule is a simple, practical, and effective way to take control of your finances while still enjoying life. Here's your challenge. Try this budgeting method for the next 3 months. Track your expenses, adjust as needed, and see how much control you gain over your money. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.